Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each LEGO kit in this video links to a variety of areas such as engineering, space and STEM, and will offer different options depending on which specific features like the number of pieces, the child's age and interest will fit your gift buying needs and or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of LEGO kits and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. So let's get started. The first LEGO kit we recommend between 500 to 1000 pieces and aimed at kids from 8 and up. We begin with the Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 42093 building kit. This kit has 579 pieces being developed in conjunction with Chevrolet. This car is realistic engineering at its best because it's a high performance speed machine with active pistons in the V8 engine. Plus with these bricks, a Corvette or hot rod can be constructed for a perfect intro into the world of automotive engineering. Next on our list of recommendations is the very cool Ideas Ship in a Bottle 92177 Expert Building Kit. This amazing, authentic, detailed kit has 962 pieces. The ship sits on a stand with a nameplate and compass for the display. The set includes the captain's quarters, cannons, crew's nests, masts and sails. Once constructed, place the ship in the LEGO built bottle with the water-styled elements and sealed with the buildable cork and wax seal for a perfect replica of a ship in a bottle. The kids LEGO kit with over 500 pieces coming up now is the Technic McLaren Senna GTR 42123. This McLaren classic car is an immersive project made from 830 pieces. The authentic design includes the iconic opening dihedral doors, the V8 engine with moving pistons, and it's 12 inches long with original style, graphics and colours of McLaren, so it's perfect to enjoy the thrill of action-packed supercar races. Moving on next is the Technic Ducati Panigale V4R 42107 motorcycle. This collectible motorbike has 646 pieces, was designed in collaboration with Ducati and offers detailed features scaled on the original bike such as a gearbox, steering, turning front wheel brake discs, a kickstand and independent suspension, all in the classic red colour scheme for a perfect, challenging building experience. The LEGO kit for kids that we recommend is the Ideas International Space Station 21321 building kit. This very cool space station has 864 pieces, which comes with a stand, mini NASA space shuttle, 3 mini cargo spacecraft, plus 2 astronaut minifigures with loads of ISS detailing, including 8 adjustable solar panels, mechanical arm, 2 rotating joints, and a 146-page booklet about ISS, and it's over 7 inches high, 12 inches long, and 19 inches wide, so it's perfect for anyone who dreams of being an astronaut one day. Next on our list of recommendations is the Speed Champions Chevrolet Corvette C8R race car and 1969 Chevrolet Corvette 76903 building kit. This 2 Chevrolet Corvette cars kit has 512 pieces, ideal for building and lining them up for a thrilling racetrack action, as both cars have a lot of authentic original Chevrolet Corvette detailing, such as a wide chassis, 2-seat cockpit and 2 minifigures with helmets and race suits. Powered by a kid's imagination, these are great for any Speed Champion fan. The kids LEGO kit with over 500 pieces coming up now is the Technic Jeep Wrangler 42122. This branded yellow and black Wrangler Jeep has 655 pieces. Once built, it is ready for any off-road terrain, as the design details are perfect for roleplay, as it has button operating front steering functions, axle articulation suspension for testing around obstacles, an opening hood to inspect the engine, a working winch, opening doors, a spare tyre and fold down rear seats. It is perfect to add to a vehicle collection and introduces kids to engineering ideas and concepts. The LEGO kit for kids over 8 years old that we recommend is the Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hall of Armour 76125 building kit. This Marvel Avengers construction set has 524 pieces and is perfect for spending hours experimenting with creative roleplay to combine and stack the modules in Tony Stark's Hall of Armour, which includes a rotating podium, Stark's robotic arms, suits with storage modules, radar dish, a bad guy prison, weapon storage, plus 4 epic Iron Man superheroes and 2 Outriders minifigures for adventures in the Marvel Universe. Moving on next is the Speed Champions Mopar Dodge SRT Top Fuel Dragster 1970 Dodge Challenger. This set has 627 pieces, as it includes the 2 exciting replica high-performance high-performance Dodge vehicles. Both have classic realistic features like an opening cockpit, minifigures in a Dodge race suit and helmet, with the Dragster being 13.5 inches long and the Challenger being 5 inches long, so it's perfect to display or awesome to race with friends and family. Next on our list of recommendations is the Harry Potter Hogwarts Express 75955 building set. This action-packed train set has 801 pieces, including removable side-top panels in the 4-seat carriage to get something like a chocolate frog from the Witch's Sweet Trolley, hidden compartments, plus there are 5 very iconic characters from the books and films. Also, there is the 9 3/4 platform, moving brick wall to board the train, a bridge with a clock, and more to create realistic fantasy scenes for creative play. The last in this section of kids Lego kits with over 500 pieces aimed at children 8 and up is the Speed Champions Mercedes-AMG F1 76909 building kit. This Speed Champion 2-vehicle set is made from 564 pieces. These world-beating Mercedes-AMG race car replicas are over 7.5 inches long and have lots of accurate design details shown clearly in printed and digital guides, so once built, race them with the 2 minifigures in the cockpits and see who wins. The first Lego set of over 1000 pieces in this part of the video is the Star Wars The Mandalorian The Razor Crest 75292 exclusive building kit. This cool kit of the Razor Crest starship has 1023 pieces. This allows hours of roleplay adventures once built. It comes with 5 series favourite iconic minifigures including Baby Yoda. The cockpit opens and fits 2 figures to pilot the ship, an escape hatch that can detach, a cargo hold with opening sides, spring-loaded shooters, so it is perfect to allow the Mandalorian to battle the trooper to keep Baby Yoda protected. The kids Lego kit aimed at kids over 14 coming up now is the Creator Expert Ford Mustang 10265 building kit. This 1960s classic car kit has 1471 pieces. It's an official replica and is designed to be challenging to build, with features including a raised up axle, 5-spoke rims with high grip tyres. The V8 engine is revealed once the hood is opened. The trunk has good storage space, the door open to access the interior. There are extras that can customize the car. The interior has seats, radio, a working steering wheel, plus the dark blue paintwork and white racing stripes are based on the Mustang colours. Moving on, next is the Creator Expert NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266 building kit. This highly detailed replica of the 1969 moon lander has 1087 pieces. It was designed to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the first moon landing. It even includes the US flag, plus realistic features like the detachable separate stages, a based board to depict the lunar surface, so one giant leap for mankind can be taken from the famous lunar landing ladder. The last Lego set of over 1000 pieces in this video is the Technic Porsche 911 RSR 42096 race car building set. This ideal STEM building kit has 1580 pieces. As a replica endurance racing car, it's perfect for learning about mechanical engineering. With such a cool Porsche, it has loads of tech aerodynamic features such as the sharp contours, a cockpit radar screen, fire suppression system, a raised rear wing, a moving 6-cylinder boxer engine and working differential, extended rear diffuser, and there is even a site map for the Laguna Seca race circuit for hours of racing roleplay. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful Lego kit tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.